It's also amazing. Today on the 11th of July 2025. And it's Museokatu, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think somebody's coming.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, but okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is modernized 18,000. So I'm not completely sure if I filmed A or B here before, but
Yeah, you said A.
06506 was 1926 when I was 1988.
Yeah.
But the other one I feel was also around 98.
Yeah.
Well, he didn't care.
Yeah.
Even though he was the one who kind of came in.
Yeah.
But not everyone cares.
Yeah.
But I think somebody is now upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was, but he was an elderly man.
Yeah.
Is that Finland?
Yeah.
Not the copper anymore, that's the
Yeah.
same pitch.
Yeah.
That metal paper was in the 1950s here.
Yeah.
Because after the Second World War they changed the interior in the 1950s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the quality control Finland, maintained by Kone.
Hard to reach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn off the bench here. Oh, that's it.
That's